Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we got another room tour here for you. So we're in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, and we're at the Bahia Principe, Grand Punta Cana, and we're excited to show you this room here. So we're in just a ordinary kind of a junior suite, or like just a regular room with a king size bed. So what we're going to do is we'll walk over this way and start our tours where we typically start them off in the front hallway here. So when you come in the front door, again, I just want to kind of preface too that this is one of the Bahia Principe's kind of traditional hotels, one of the original hotels on property. So they've got some sort of the traditional kind of doors and closets and stuff that you would have seen like quite a while ago, but it's been refreshed a little bit just to maintain it. So as you come in here, you can see in these closets, we've got some good storage for your clothing, an umbrella, ironing board and iron. There's a blanket up top. In case in the nighttime you get cold while you're sleeping. Down here we have some cabinets as well to store your things. And then in this closet here, so we've got some additional storage here, and up on the top, all these little cubbies here for your things. And then we got an in-room safe too to keep your valuables protected. It's kind of hard to see here just with the lighting, but there is a safe here that you can program with a code for your valuables. Alright, so then walking in the room here and turning to the left, we'll see the washroom area. As you can see here, there's a large soaker tub with kind of jacuzzi jets. And then just inside and to the left here, we have like a shower, a rainfall shower, and then a handle to shower with as well. And then there's also lots of space to put your things here while you're showering. There's a towel rack up here, and a spot to hang your towels too. And then over this way, we can see the vanity area. Just a single sink in this washroom here. We got some toiletries here. We've got shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, body lotion, facial soap, and then some glasses here as well. A little bit of storage underneath here if you need some extra storage in the room. And then the vanity area washroom is complete with the mirror to help you get ready, and then it's got a hair dryer as well. Also has like a 110 volt outlet for any of the things you may have brought to help get ready. And then just to the left of that is the toilet area, and I just wanted to let you know too that the toilet area doesn't have a separate door to it, so if there's someone kind of getting ready here in the washroom area, if you're at the toilet, there's no privacy. So just wanted to let you know that. But again, there is the door here that you can close for privacy from the room. Okay, so then turning into the rest of the room, looking at the bedroom and the living area, as you can see just to the right of me here, there's a spot to put your luggage and some storage underneath. And then just to the left as you come in, there's the bedroom area. So there's a big king size bed here. This is not two double beds pushed together. The mattress, as I've said in some of the other videos, is a bit more of like the medium firm. So just to let you know that, but the pillows, like I said, are very squishy and give you a good night's sleep with good support. Over here, there's like a nice lighting sconce here with like a little bit of a traditional look to it. And then the bedside tables with extra storage. And we've got the phone here too that'll reach out to front desk, guest services, concierge, housekeeping, and so on. Just to the left here, I'll put this up on the screen here so you can see it. If you wanted to scan that barcode, this will give you access to the Bahia app to get you started with taking a look at some of the hotel's information and a la carte and dinner menus and things like that. There's a wall outlet here that gives you power for charging any phones or anything like that at your bedside table, and then some switches to control the lights in the room. And then a drawer and some extra storage just underneath the bedside table. And then we have a second bedside table over here with no outlet here, but I bet you if you may have searched underneath, there might be an outlet. It's kind of like all one piece here, so this definitely wouldn't come away from the wall. It's kind of like mounted on the wall here. So again, I would have to say there's no charger here on this side of the bed. So you guys can fight over who gets the charging side of the bed over there. And then over here we have light switches to control the lights in the room, and we have a ceiling fan light, or ceiling fan switch here that controls the ceiling fan just above the bed here. It's pushing the air around the room really nicely. The air conditioner unit's working really good as well. It is a very hot day in Dominican Republic today, so feels really good to be in this air-conditioned room. So just turning over this way before we move on to the living area, we've got a big mirror overlooking this kind of TV entertainment storage area here. And then over here we got our little coffee bar area. So we've got two Bahia Principe coffee mugs. We've got some sugar and condiments here. to dress up your coffee, a coffee maker, and then we got some waters, glasses, and I'll give you guys a scan here or I'll let you guys give this a scan here to access the room service menu to take a look at some of the stuff that's offered for room service. Just underneath the coffee area is the mini bar area, or the fridge, and you can open that up and find there's some soft drinks in here and then some waters. This is replenished daily by housekeeping if you removed anything, and this is all inclusive as well, part of your package. And we got 2 Presidente beers too. Just beside that, there's actually a little stool you could pull out here, and you could even pull that out and have a little kind of makeup nook to do your makeup. Mona would be proud of me for saying that. And just to the left of that, there's a flat screen TV and some more storage here in these drawers. They're not as big as some of the other drawers that we've seen in some of the other Bahia Principe hotels, but some extra drawers for storage here nonetheless. And as we move over this way, we can see there's some beautiful artwork on the wall here, and the same thing over here as well in the sitting area. And you can see there's like a big kind of couch with some pillows. There's some chairs here with a table, kind of complete this area where you can sit down, just relax, maybe eat some room service here. So we're gonna head outside to the balcony now. We're up on the 2nd floor. All right, so just sliding that door open, very easy there. As you can see, we're kind of like on the walkway here, bordering the 2 hotels. This hotel is Bahia Principe Fantasia, which is a family resort. We did a full hotel tour of that resort and buffet and room tours as well. So if you wanted to see that, you can find the videos down in the description below. But in terms of this room here at Punta Cana, there's a lounge chairs out here. There's a table here you can sit out. So yeah, this looks over basically Fantasia, and you can see some beautiful palm trees, some nice lush vegetation. It's kind of nice and quiet here actually. I will point out one thing that I'm just kind of noticing now. If I look over this way, there's no guests at the moment, but you can see other guests, kind of balconies right here. So that might be something that kind of just takes a little bit of privacy away if you're hanging out on your balcony. Yeah, it's not too bad if you're sitting down over here. You wouldn't really see each other. So yeah, that pretty much does it here for the room tour here at Bahia Principe, Grand Punta Cana. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.